friends, welcome to Excel tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to remove empty or blank cells from Excel sheet. Excel provides few different ways to remove empty or blank cells from rows data or columns data. So in order to demonstrate the different types of the ways which we can remove the empty cells or blank cells, I have prepared a nice tabular format which shows the Excel function and whether we can apply on the rows data or columns data. The first function which I can say like sort function, which is available in the sort and filter. Using sort function, we can remove the empty cells from both the row and column data. Using filter, which is available in sort and filter, you cannot apply on the rows data. You can apply only on the columns data. And other function is called go to special function. Using go to special function, we can remove the empty cells from rows or columns. Let's switch back to the Excel file, and here if you see here, right, I have an Excel file which consists of 5 sheets, which we will go through each sheet step by step. So the first function which we have seen is the sort function. Select the data part which you wanted to remove the empty cells. Here if you see the data set, right, I have few empty cells or blank cells in my data. If you wanted to remove all these cells, the easiest way which I say is go to the sort and filter, select A to Z. It's immediately going to rearrange your data set so that all your blanks will be removed. The next function which we can say is the sort function, which can be applied on the row format. So select the data elements, whatever you wanted to remove the empty cells or blank cells. Go to sort and filter, select sort A to Z. Nothing is going to happen, friends. So in order to remove the empty cells from your row data, you have to go to sort and filter, go to custom sort, and under the options, select the radio button, sort left to right. Click OK, and in sort by drop down, select the row which you wanted to sort and click on OK. So now your data is going to be sorted. Along with that, all your empty cells or blank cells are removed. Now we'll see the third way, which is called the filter. Select the data elements which you wanted to filter. Go to sort and filter and select filter. So it is going to give you a drop down option. Once you click on this drop down, you have to select the blanks. So in order to select the blanks, this is a toggle feature. Click select all one more time so that it will be unselected. Now click the blanks and click OK. Now all your blank cells are been selected. So in order to remove those blank cells, select on any one of the row and drag whichever the data set is selected. Right click with your mouse button and click delete row. Now go back to your sort and filter, remove the filter. Now all your empty cells have been removed. Now we will go to the fourth sheet and select the data elements which you wanted to remove and click find and select. Go to special and under the select options, click the radio button as blanks. Click on OK. Now what it is going to do is all the empty cells or blank cells have been selected here. Now click on any one of the selected cell, click delete. When you click the delete, Excel is going to ask you with 4 options what you wanted to do me with the rest of your data once I delete the empty cells. So it is selected as shift cell shape. Now keep as it is and click on OK. So all your empty cells have been removed and all your data is properly arranged. Now if you go to the sheet 5, now I have the drink names, and then now the drink names is in the row format. Now select the whole data elements what you wanted to remove. Go to find and select, go to special. Now under this special, now select the blanks, click on OK. Now, similar way, friends, like how we have seen in sheet 4, here also all the empty cells have been selected. Click on any one of these empty cells, click delete. When you click delete, again Excel is going to ask you with the four options: shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row or entire column. Now, if you closely observe, shift cells up and entire row go hand in hand, and shift cells up left or shift entire column will go in hand. Now this time I am going to select entire column. If you select shift cells left or entire column, it will give the same functionality. Click on OK. Now all your data elements have been rearranged and empty cells or blank cells have been removed. That's all in this video, friends. Switch back to our Excel slide and see the different functions which we have seen just now. So out of these five functions, I mean basically five ways, I feel like sort is the easiest way to apply to remove the blanks or empty cells. So if you are not worried about the order of the data, you can apply the sort. If you are really concerned about the order, you can go with the filter or with the go to special functions. That's all in this video, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye for now.